Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, are you looking for a Chipotle mayo sauce? Well, then I would definitely recommend this one from Only Plant Based. This is a vegan Chipotle mayo. I love that it gives a spicy kick, but it's not overwhelming at all. I don't do spicy at all, but I do love the flavor that this one adds to my meals. I love putting this on top of my eggs, um, on top of my salads. And I love that they don't use eggs, and that is a plus for those that are super highly allergic to eggs. They use this ingredient called xanthan gum. So that is an egg replacer. So that is really, really awesome. So again, if you are looking for a vegan option for your mayo, and best of all, that it has that kick, that Chipotle kick, I will definitely recommend this one from Only Plant Based. But hey, that is just my point of view.